Yo, those are fire! Where did you even get those?
I won them on AJD's giveaway.
I'm subscribing to him right now. Stick around to the end of the video to see how you can win these shoes. This video isn't going to be a tutorial, but rather just showing how I made these shoes and why I made these shoes. First of all, I want to thank all of you guys for 10,000 subscribers. I never thought in a million years I would hit this amount. It's absolutely incredible. I remember when I was like in elementary school, I hit 50 subscribers on a different channel and I was just ecstatic. I thought I was the biggest celebrity in the world and it was just amazing. And I even tried to do my own little giveaway, but I was too young and didn't really know how it worked. Well, now that I hit 10,000 subscribers, I feel like I can actually do giveaways, and I gave away Cupcake when I hit about 5,000 subscribers, and now I'm going to be giving away these shoes. So stick around to the end of the video to see how you can enter in to win these pairs of shoes, because I'd love to give them away to you guys. About 4 or so years ago, I started my own Etsy shop where I would customize shoes and paint shoes. I had several different types. I had SpongeBob shoes, I had ones of NBA teams, I had flowers, I had colors. I just had all different types of shoes. I made my own little business and it went really well. School got in the way, so I didn't have much time to do it, but it was such an amazing experience, so I thought I would make a video of me making shoes, and that's kind of where I started business-wise. Now that I hit 10,000 subscribers and there are thousands of people watching me every day, I thought I should probably tell you guys a little bit about me, and I think this is the perfect time to as well. I've always wanted to make videos ever since I was little, and in 2014, so I was about 10 years old, I decided to make a YouTube channel. During this time, a really popular game and my favorite game was called Skylanders, and I don't know if you guys are too young to even know what that is, but this was my everything. I based my channel off of this. I literally based my whole life off of this. I made tons of videos, either me gaming, doing IRL stuff about it, and that's when my first ever video hit 1,000 views. I can't really remember what the video was, but then I gained 300 subscribers from it, and it was absolutely incredible. And once the Skylander hype kind of died down and I got a little older, I started making comedy videos of skits and just these funny challenges. And one of my most popular videos was called How to Get a Girlfriend, and I dress up as a girl and a guy, and it was just super funny. I was in middle school around this time, and I thought it'd be a good idea to tell people at my school that I was doing this, and middle schoolers are mean, so I made a huge mistake and I was bullied for it. So then and there I just decided to not do YouTube anymore. But then during the summer I started YouTube again. I didn't really expect my channel to kind of explode in the way it did. I just posted a video just to kind of in my own portfolio, and I didn't really expect anyone to see anything I made. But then after about 2 weeks of that Bonnie short that I made, my first ever video, it started to get thousands of views, and I had a ton of comments of people just absolutely loving it, showing tons of support and wanting to know how I made it. So that's where I kind of just hit me, like, I know how YouTube works. I did it before, I can do it again, and I feel more confident in myself, and this is something that I like doing. I like making stuff, so I thought I'd just teach people how to make certain things. And that was probably one of the best decisions I have ever made, because I got to see all these amazing comments and pictures and videos of the creations that you guys have made based on my tutorials, and it's so reassuring to see that my tutorials are helping you guys. I plan on branching out a little more and not just doing Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. I will still do Five Nights at Freddy's stuff because a lot of you guys love it, but I wanted to get into other types of games and movies and anything popular that you guys want to see. I want to show you guys how to make whatever you guys want. That's what my tutorial channel will be about. Now here are the shoes all finished. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think the colors are really good. I tried my best to make it look simple but cool at the same time, because I didn't want to add too much but also not too little. I think the marionette side is my favorite. I like how simple it is, and the black and white just complement each other. To enter into the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed, comment your shoe size, and follow me on Instagram. My @ is @AJD33. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. Peace.